everybody and welcome to my YouTube episode number 104, Sanskriti Kolkata, myself Lalia Dattagupta, and today's episode is on printed tussar along with embroidery. So there's some sort of fusion in each sarees, like there would be printing done in the tussar in various type of printing along with various kind of thread work. So let's start watching, and we'll be showing quite a number of products, and all you have to do is take the screenshot and WhatsApp to the number provided. Product number 1, this is kind of a Sanganari print in pure tussar. On top of that, Doria thread work is done. It's a very interesting saree. See why? This is a fully hand block Rajasthani printed block, and on top of that we've done thread work. Each and every leaf flower is done in self color thread work throughout the outline. So it has a very, it has a 3D effect, and the back side you can understand this is the thread work along with the printing done. Product number 1, 10,900 rupees, 10,900, and see the pallu. The pallu part is also, see, it's a very interesting zari woven tussar along with the whole border, and each block buta has been done Doria embroidery. So you can see this part also, this part is also the embroidery done on the zari. So it's a very interesting, see, these are all thread work. All these are thread work done. Even this, the throughout the sari embroidery, Doria embroidery is done on the print. Very narrow, very tiny, narrow, very sleek inch border in zari. And the blouse piece is also in block print. See, this is the blouse piece. So you can make a long sleeve blouse and then of course use the border. It's a very smart looking sari, very different kind of a sari. Product number 1. Now coming to product number 2, it's the same printed tussar that I'm wearing along with badla. Mukesh embroidery is a very traditional form of work done in metal strips, hand work, and very few karigars can do this skilled embroidery. All these tiny, mainly done in chicken curry. See, this is the badla done Mukesh work throughout the border. Product number 2, 6,990 rupees, badla along with zari pallu. This is the block print along with foil print, little gold foil print done to give it a richer look. Both the sides will have the badla work, the Mukesh work. From the pleats, this printing. So it's a dyed sari, half sari will be in rustish orange and the pleats will be in natural tussar color along with foil printing done. See, it's a very nice looking sari. On draping it will look very rich, and mainly the color. It's a beautiful vermilion red color. The main color is also not red, not orange, not rust. It's a very in between color, and this is the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. So each sari will be different from each other today, whatever I will be showing. Very interesting sari, and of course very soft. Similar sari, product number 3, it's in green, 7,800 rupees. Madhubani printing done in the pallu. Madhubani printing, olive color body with sea green border. Each paisley is embroidered, and also the tiny butas. So this is the buta along with the paisley border. all thread work done. Here is the whole sari along with this olive blouse piece. Of course, the zari woven border, and see, this is the closely the embroidery. 7,800 in pure tussar zari border with blouse piece. Now another of our favorite combination, gold. It's a gold tussar with thread work, chicken work. Natural virgin color tussar. I'll explain a bit on this. Printing done on the zari. Mukesh work done on the border. Chicken work along with the border, also with badla, the Mukesh work. Foil printing done along with spray printing. Spray and foil printing done in the body. Pallu, woven embroidery. Woven embroidery. Price is 8,900 rupees, 8,900. In case I miss out the price, of course it's all mentioned in the scroll and also the description part. Take the screenshot and send it to the WhatsApp number provided, any one of the WhatsApp number. After confirmation, I will give you the bank details and it will be couriered to you. Or you can pick it up from the store also if you are in Kolkata. This is the blouse piece. It's an all gold sari. But then of course you can contrast, wear it with the contrast blouse, like see with my maroon color blouse, it's also looking very pretty. You can wear it with bottle green, a coffee color. This is the blouse piece. You really do a lot of fashionable, you can do a lot of fashion style in this sari. 8,900. I'll show you another concept in a similar gold color. Number 5. Same price, 8,900. But here the embroidery is in the concept of Madhubani. Okay, so this is again the printing border. Madhubani thread work. It's a Madhubani design thread work. This part is embroidery. Again, this part is spray printing with paisley foil printing in gold. Pallu, Madhubani embroidery, 8,900. I mean to say Madhubani embroidery means the Madhubani design embroidery. These kind of designs are usually done in Madhubani painting. So that design has been, inspired by that design. We've done the embroidery in this. And here is the blouse piece with badla. So two designs in this gold pure tussar sari, badla along with embroidery along with printing. And with this, the spray printing and the whole badla concept, it's not loud. Gold means not to shine. It looks very nice on wearing. Product number 6, embroidery tussar, printed tussar along with cutwork thread work, cutwork embroidery. Each paisley, I'll show you how interesting this embroidery is. See the fine Kashmiri embroidery. This is cutwork. The fabric has been embroidered to give this jali look. Very pretty sari. Pallu, all with cutwork along with these paisleys will be throughout. Price 8,500 rupees, 8500 only. Pleats in magenta self printing, along with magenta running blouse piece. Of course, all the throughout it will have this very sleek embroidered border. And very good quality. I mean, I myself am wearing one and I'm holding each sari, so I know the quality is very important to you and to me also. Another very interesting printing done in the body, along with Kutch work machine embroidery. This is thread work. This is printing, thread work. 78500, product number 7. Kutch work, pallu, all thread work, border, pallu, all thread work. Printed tussar along with embroidery. Blouse piece in red, and here is the look of the sari. A lot of time is given to each of the concept, discussing with the karigars, the printer, the whole team. We sit together and for hours we do each design, and you can see, since very limited stuff, we give so much of time to create each product. This is the pleats. Number 8, tussar with embroidery and with, this is also very interesting. I'll show you. It's a very smart looking sari. It's in charcoal black color. This is the upper part, very subtle and very classy. The upper part will be dyed with thread work, and single dhaga thread work is used. I mean, it's a very it's a worldly embroidery, folk embroidery. The pallu in jute. The border is also very interesting. It's a woven tussar. After you drape it from the hip part, now the symmetry comes into the pleats. Where the upper embroidery ends, the lower pleat embroidery starts. So here is the look. See the contrast embroidery in the bottom. You can understand the worldly work, village embroidery, and the color combination, soft, very interesting. I'll show you closely the thread work with blouse piece. It's in stripes. The price of the previous sari was 8,500 rupees, product number 8, and now this is product number 9. A similar one in color reddish tone, beige and red. It's not the loud bright red, since this is dyed and in tussar. It's not the bright red. It's matte red, maroonish red. Very difficult to say the exact color. Actually, it's magenta tone red. And again, where the upper thread work ends, the lower thread work starts. this is the blouse piece and stripes. Woven stripe, not printed, woven. Again, closely the embroidery of the pleats. Only 8500. Number 10. Similar kind of a tussar woven border. See, very bright, bold block done in the upper part. Pallu. And from the pleats, where the printing ends, starts the thread work. Soft, very comfortable fabric with block printed blouse piece. Woven border and printed blouse in royal blue. And here is the sari. And I'll show you closely the thread work of the pleats. Now similar one in red color, product number 118500. This print is a very different print. Pallu. Very smart print in geometric, and the pleat in thread work, buta and flower with red blouse, self printed red blouse, and here you can understand the embroidery part. Here is the sari with red blouse piece and pallu. Now, beautiful floral, very smart looking digital print in tussar with zari embroidery. Heavy quality tussar. Throughout digital printing, zari embroidery, 11,900 rupees with pallu. And blouse piece. The blouse piece will be in solid color with zari border. Very interesting, rich looking, but at the same time very gorgeous. Of course, for occasion wear, you can wear it to any parties and all, for formal occasion wear. And the color is also very pretty. Number 12, two colors I'll show you in this zari embroidery. One is the midnight blue that I showed you, and product number 13 is in mute. It's a light mustard. What color would I say this? It's neither lemon, it's neither mustard, neither tussar color. It's a very uncommon combination. And in this, the gold embroidery is also looking very unique. This is the pallu, 11,900. This deep chiku color along with the red flower, cluster of flowers, and with that matte zari. Very interesting sari with blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. See how rich this is. We have two branches in Kolkata, 2C Cornfield Road, Ballygunge, Kolkata 19, and the other one is 12 Jamir Lane, Ballygunge, Kolkata 19. Both are close by. We ship regularly. Sundays we are closed. Monday to Saturday 10 to 8:30. Other than the lockdown days, of course. Now tussar with chicken curry with patni printed border. Throughout self embroidery in this is machine ari with antique sequins. So this chiku color is just giving a lovely chicken work throughout with little highlights in antique zari sequins. And yes, the border is done in Paithani printing. The weavings would be exorbitantly priced, so we've done that concept in digital printing, and the price is 13,900 rupees, and throughout embroidery sari, and it is giving a very unique fusion designer look. All these are concept saris and all single pieces, because very limited and lot of time needed, and we can't we usually don't make bulk production to keep the signature, these are signature collection. This is the blouse piece, throughout embroidery butta with the border. So with this sari you will get this thread work blouse. Yeah. Another piece, number 15, the combination changes, the concept is the same. This is throughout embroidery, closely you see. All over work, the body part, printing part, pallu part, patani with chicken work in pure desi tussar. Blouse piece. All first come first serve basis. Please message, and no phone calls, only messages. You have to book by message. Any queries you will get the answer in message only. In case of any emergency or in case of any you can call the number that's provided in the invoice, or I'll give you another number where you can talk to the concerned person. Tailoring department also will give you the number. You can contact them for tailoring blouses or any other further stitching that you need to be done, need to do. This is also another concept of printing and embroidery in tussar. The upper part will have a self floral block printing done in a woven tussar in black. Here comes the block printed pallu along with jute weave, ghicha and tussar woven alternate in the pallu. So till your hips the printing is done, and then the rest half of the sari will have embroidery. Floral embroidery in the pleats along with block printed blouse piece in grey. So this is the look of the sari. So here you can understand the embroidery along with printing and the blouse piece. Few colors in this: blue, royal blue, previous one was black, now comes royal blue. You will love, the feel of the sarees is so comfortable. You will love the feel of the product and also the whole finish of the product. See the blouse piece, a little lighter shade in blue. The inside color, this is the inside color. I've done the block printing. Blouse, pleats, sari. So I am trying my best to show the whole look of the product after draping. Number 18, rust. It's a brownish rust, so this is also a very nice color. It's a copper tone brown color. Printed blouse. Sari. Pallu. Now coming to what I am wearing. Badla chicken curry tussar printing. So many things. These all I've done in earthy colors. It's a mustard kind of snuffed kind of a mustard tone with rust block printing in one border. This is block print. This is the thread work in the natural color of the sari along with badla. Pallu with that same border running. It will go throughout. And then all over buta. This is also in embroidery. So this is a dyed tussar. It has been dyed with buta, with chicken work and blouse piece in rust. Contrast the narrow border with little badla work here in the blouse sleeves. See the fall, so soft. You don't need anybody to hold your pleats, or nor do you need, give a lot of time in pleating these. Very nice looking, smart looking sari, and the price of this is 8,800. Even my sari, this is in fudge color with red border. Fudge with red color combination, chicken work color combination. All the colors are little different from the regular ones, with throughout embroidery. The neck piece that I am wearing is 3,990 rupees. Just the neck piece. You can of course increase. Or make it like a choker. And the earring, the jhumka, double layer jhumka, this is 1990, correct? 950 rupees. The jhumka is 950 rupees. It's separate, not along with the neck piece. 950 for the jhumka and 3,990 rupees for the neck piece. And few more colors in this. Number 20 in grey and black. Grey and black. Even for corporate wear, even for formal, you know, if you have any corporate meetings where you need to wear something formal in after whole day work, you need to go to any corporate meet or anything. So this is a nice sari for that. And even for any other occasion where you need to wear, you know, little elegant look sari, not party wear look, elegant look, but at the same time different. So this is a very good option with black blouse, badla. This is the blouse. Very soft. And number 21, it's in olive. All very interesting colors. Olive and emerald green. Here is the contrast emerald green blouse piece. See, nice combination actually this one. And this one, this is also a very different kind of sari. It's in Desi Tussar with zari and resham embroidery throughout the border. The body has been done digital printing along with embroidery on the digital print. Throughout white small buttas throughout the sari and the border, and this is the pallu. See the pallu. It's a rose pink color with crochet border, embroidery with thread work and zari, digital printing along with embroidery, and it has a printed blouse also in baby pink. Price 11,950 rupees. 11,950 rupees. It's a very nice color sari actually. Color, the concept, and even the print. It's subtle but at the same, because it's you know, the embroidery needs to stand out also, na? So this is the whole look of the sari. We have these brocade blouse piece material also. If you want, we can, you know, you can one or two blouses like this goes with a lot of sari. We have these 1 meter fabric which is around I think 900 starting to 1400 range, and the sari I have already told you the price. So thank you so much for watching. Namaskar.